Hello and welcome back to Rare Apple 3. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded last, but we're gonna fix that right now. Today we are unboxing the Legend from Racing Electronics. Now if you are familiar with NASCAR or any kind of racing in general, Racing Electronics supplies all of the audio and radios, as well as headsets that you can purchase or rent to listen to the in-car radio while you're at the track. So, the Legend was actually a Kickstarter project that I backed several years ago, and I just got in the mail just now. So basically what the Legend is it's an upgrade from the previous FanVision, which is still really good, and it'll still work at the track. But with this upgrade, it uses the Android system. Now this isn't going to be my full review of this unit, this is just going to be the basic unboxing of it right now. Look forward to that review coming in the fall. So let's go ahead and take this off. So we have a nice cover here that just pulls out, and then this just pops off just like that to review the unit itself. Just real quick, let's get a comparison of it. Of course it's not actually out of the package yet. Let me do that first. See that. This thing also has the cable for lanyard. So there's a comparison of it. Just set it up side by side. See, it's definitely bigger than what's previous there. So let's go ahead and set that aside right now. Let's see what else we have in the box. So after we remove this cover, we get a quick start guide, I'm guessing. Looks like warranty coverage. As well as we have the battery, the USB cable, and looks like the lanyard and headphones. So there's a lanyard. It says Legend on it, and Racing Electronics. Or actually, yeah, it says Racing Electronics on it. As well as, looks like the earbuds. And it also contains, looks like, backup covers, so if they fall out. So yeah, just your standard earbuds, nothing really special about that. USB cable, standard USB cable. As well as the battery. Now the battery, this battery is not the same as the FanVision, and the reason is because it's a whole new unit. And obviously getting that battery in there won't actually fit on the back cover here. Oh yeah, and show you the back cover. And so it also comes with a camera as well. So if you're at the track and you want to take photos of the track, you can do that. So basically this unit is supposed to replace your phone. Maybe not necessarily replace it, but you can definitely use it as a phone, and you can also use it to measure stuff with your car. You can get onboard diagnostics with that. You can get an adapter, which is separate. Racing Electronics actually does not make that, but this uses the Android system, so any of them will work. In addition, it also has a built-in kickstand. It's like that. And you can just lay it down like that. So if you're on a table or whatnot, you don't have to wear it. Looks like that this battery slides off, and looks like you put the battery in. Where'd the battery go? There it is. And it looks like just like that. It's very similar to how the FanVision battery connected, just in there nice and snug. You can go and close the cover, just like that. Oh, I didn't realize this. They also included a power adapter. Well, that's nice that they include a power adapter. A lot of these devices nowadays will just get the cable and they won't actually provide a power adapter, so that's nice and handy. So, there's that. And let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and make sure that it's at a full charge. And I'll come back with how it looks. Alright, and I am back. So the Legend is all charged up, and so let's go ahead and power it on. Made a vibrating noise. It shows the FanVision logo. So what's so special about the Legend is it combines an analog scanner and a FanVision digital scanner in one unit. So it makes that very cool. Oh, now it's spinning. That's cool. Have a little 3D effect. Now let's say that we can scanner, stopwatch, go to the store, do a bunch of other stuff on here. So let's just get a scanner and see. Maybe push it, there it goes. Allow scanner to access photo media and files on this device. Well, I'm pretty sure there's none of that, so it will allow scanner to record audio. I wonder what that's about. Scanner. Yeah, it looks like this is how you can set your frequencies and whatnot. So, you can manually type it in. I like that, so that way you don't have to keep pushing the plus button or change the frequency. Hit the back button here. And you can prioritize stuff here. And get the NASCAR Monster Energy Cup Series, the Camping World Truck Series, and Xfinity Series. And then you can also tune the frequency like this. You can also scan it to detect something. So let's go ahead and go back home. Let's go to the FanVision, the FanVision thing. Let's see what it does. And then it's trying to locate the signal. Obviously, we're not at the racetrack, so obviously that's not going to load. That's an interesting thing. Let me see. Then we can just slide it. Yeah, I probably want to keep that. I don't know. This is still fairly new, so still getting used to everything. See, it is on airplane mode. I'm gonna fix that. Have all of our applications on here. So yeah, so that is the Legend. Remember, like what I said, look for my full review of this unit coming in the fall, as that'll be the next time I attend a NASCAR race. So until then, see you later.